A very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the Zero to Infinity channel. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. Dear friends, this is the episode number 26 in which we will talk about the spiritual science. Some of the general talks will be there. Basically, we have covered the concept series for you. After that, we have to do the concept series, and this is the first episode for the international, my dear friends, and we will do the general talk on it. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once. If you haven't, read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episode or the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the concept series, welcome in the new world. Dear friends, some of the questions we will ask, that why I am saying it science. We have given it the name spiritual science. Why we are saying it like the science? We have to see about it. What is the meaning of the science? A systematically organized body of the knowledge on a particular subject is called as a science. This means the special knowledge, a organized knowledge on a particular subject will be called as a science. As we will discuss on the inner dimension of the world in a systematically organized manner, hence it will be called as a spiritual science. We will cover basically the inner dimension of the world which we are not seeing, just like the body we are seeing, our mind, we cannot able to see the thoughts, but mind, brain and the heart, we will cover the inner dimension of our human existence. Why I am saying it is spiritual? In today's world, only the outer or the visible dimensions are being told as the science, like the physics, chemistry, etc. However, nowadays the social sciences like the political science are also getting popular words in which same organized knowledge is being taught. As we will learn about the body electricity, spirituality, hidden dimension of the religions in a very simple and the lucid language, hence it will be called as the spiritual science. Why I am saying it in the English only, yet in the concept series made for the world? Dear friends, as we know that in the world there are many of the languages, but as a common person, as a common people, I cannot able to learn all kind of the language. Basically, the meaning of the language is just to convey my thoughts, convey my feelings to you, so that you can work on it. That's why it is not possible for me to learn each and every language of the world like the French, German. I respect all the languages, all the races, all the religions, but we will basically talk in the English for the our international approach or international episodes. And dear friends, the world is the land of the 700 billion peoples. Many languages are there, many nations are there, many religions are there. Still, there is a one spirituality and the one spiritual science will be there. And we will talk about the spiritual science in these episodes. Although in the Zero to Infinity channel, we will cover almost all kind of the dimension of our human existence. It may be of the social, it may be of the political, it may be of the current affairs, etc. etc. And in our summary series, there will be one summary episode. You can see it in the playlists easily, in which you will easily find that in which episode we are covered what. And dear friends, all things are written in the English so that it can be easily understood by all the nations, whether it is the Africa, whether it is the America, whether it is the Australia or the Asia. We will try our the best to use the maximum possible photos and videos and the animations, etc. Because the one picture summarizes thousands of the world, one GIF picture covers lakhs of the words, and the one video summarizes millions and the billions of the words. My feelings can be easily narrated to you, easily conveyed to you due to with these pictures. The words are very superficial things are there. After that, the level of the images will be there. After that, the more deeper GIF will be there. After that, more important videos will be there for you. And if you will learn it and do the actions in your own human existence, then certainly you will get benefited by it. And dear friends, that's why we will use maximum pictures, maximum GIF and maximum videos in our episodes. Also, the photos and the videos, animation, etc. These do not have any kind of the languages barrier, and pictures can be easily understood whether it is an old age person or the new age person, whether you are from the Australia or from the Asia or from the America. And that's why these episodes will cover maximum of the world. The purpose of this channel will be there, the deepest possible useful spiritual concepts in the simplest form, in the today's language, in the common man's language. My dear friends, we will learn one by one each of the word. This will be deepest possible knowledge because it will cover complete human existence like body, materialistic things, all the dimension of our human existence, our brain, our heart, and finally our soul. These will be the useful spiritual concept. Dear friends, whatever we know, but it is if it is not applicable in our dimension of the life, then it will be not useful. Until unless I will tell you some techniques and you will use it for your own benefit, without it, these episodes will be of no use. Just like in the Corona series, you have seen that some very simple logical techniques were there, but I can guarantee that these techniques would have helped you to cure the corona or for the prevention of the corona or the COVID-19 things. Dear friends, these are the very ancient science. These are very ancient spiritual science. Whether you are from the Egypt, whether you are from the Asia, whether you are from the China, whether you are from the Mayan civilization, all the ancient civilization are talking about the single spiritual science, and we will see it in the detail, the same spiritual science, but in the common man language, in the today's person language, in the common man language basically. And in the terms of the Albert Einstein, who was a very much genius for our human mankind, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. We will talk about the deepest possible spiritual techniques and how it is working how it is working for our human life, our human existence, yet in a very simple techniques. Sometimes you will feel it bored, but dear friends, as you know that physics is not easy, chemistry is not easy, the mathematics is also not easy, then how it is possible that the spiritual science will be very much easy? We will do the best so that a common man, a common or the average man can understand these concepts in the very beautiful manner. And this will be object oriented programming type of things. We will go in a particular direction, and as your suggestions will become, that will be covered in the non-concept series. Some of the episode we will cover your questions, answer, or the suggestion or the critics. And now we will see the theory of the relativity, how it is useful for us in the episodes. I will talk in a particular level. We will talk in a particular level. Some of our friends will feel it just like the childish talk. Like if you are a philosopher, if you are very highly logical person, if you are a highly spiritual person, then you will think that it is a very childish talk. I am talking like a child. No problem, dear friends, dear brothers and dear sisters. We can talk in the toughest tough language of this world, but that will not good for the mass of the people, for mass of our friends. That's why we can discuss it individually. Contact details are provided in the video. You can see it in the left. And some of the friends will feel it a very tough talk. No problems, dear friend, dear brothers, and the dear sisters. We have to have understand it one day. Whether you will understand it today or tomorrow or after some couple of the years, but you have to have understand it once. Then why not start it from the today itself, my dear friends? Believe me, it will be very much useful for you. You can learn it for your own benefits. Nobody else in this world will be benefited more if you will use this technique. First you will be get benefited, after that someone else will be get benefited. And dear friends, you can learn it for your own benefits. I am always available for your queries, for your doubts, etc. Also, you can go deeper by using the Google or the YouTube. If we will discuss some of the concept, if you are not getting understand, search the concept, search the keywords in the Google or the YouTube, and your knowledge will be get enriched more and more. And dear friends, from now onwards, the parallel series will be there in the channel 0 to Infinity. As we have seen that the Corona or the COVID-19 series was need of the hour. The whole of the mankind was getting suffered due to the Corona, and till now, as on today, like the 19 December 2020, we are getting problems due to the Corona. Hence, we have completed first our Corona series, and I was in the hurry, and it was clearly visible in the episode also that the episodes were not of the very good level. But in the coming episodes, we will improve our quality and the quantity for you, my dear friends. But in the concept series, I am not in the hurry at all, because the knowledge which is being discussed is thousands and the 100 years old and can be used for the next hundreds and the thousands of the year. As we are talking of a knowledge which is usable to the human body. It may be of the any nation, any state, any religion, any gender, or the any color, or the any race. Hence, till the human body exists on this planet Earth, till that time the use of the spiritual science will be there. I am expecting 3 parallel series from now onwards, depend on my mood, because I am the person who is making the episode wholeheartedly, the demand of the situation and the demand of my friends. And we are expecting 3 parallel series for the world. Number 1, the concept series. These will be the bare spiritual science concept and discussion on that. It may be some kind of the boring series, but if we will learn it, then certainly you can able to use it in your life. And certainly I can guarantee that you will be get benefited by these concepts. And the second one will be the application series, just like the Corona series. We will cover almost all the dimensions of our human existence, like the sports, like the energy series, how to acquire the energy, how to get rid of the Corona. All kind of the applications will be dealt by our series, our channel. And these application series, the spiritual science concept will be get applied in a very interesting manner, and there may be the thousands of the applications may be there. And the third series will be for the world, current world series or the miscellaneous series. Depend on the need of the hour, we will pick any of the topic and we will discuss on it. And it will be depend on the current world condition, and it will be cover the current topics. My dear friends, my philosophy in making these episodes and for this channel is clearly mentioned in the legal disclaimer. Kindly read it once. And the same as the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's philosophy. And that was, first they ignore you, my dear friends, you can ignore me. Then they laugh at you. then certainly you are able to laugh on me that what the rubbish he is talking about. Then they will fight with you. It may be possible that some of the religions may fight with me, some of the atheists may fight with me, some of the scientists may fight with me, and then you will win. Dear friends, that's why I am very much ready for your ignorance, I am very much ready for your laughing, I am very much ready for your fight with the words, just like the debate. But not ready to win you. But I will do my the best to win your hearts. I will do my the best to win your hearts, dear friends. And what is the expectation from my dear friends? As you know that the mathematics questions solving with the formula is something different, and the question solving with the first principle is very much different. What is more easy? No doubt, as you know that question solving with the formula is more easy than the question solving through first principle of the mathematics. That's why, dear friends, kindly learn and understand the concepts. If it is clear, then you can also use the same concept in the thousand of the applications in the world, which can be useful for you, and that can raise your own life in all the dimensions. It may be of the economics, it may be of the political, it may be of the social dimension. Many of the dimensions can be covered by it, and whatever you will wish, you will be able to do so. I can guarantee it you for that. Whatever I am saying is nothing new. It is just in the simple manner, whichever is written in your religious books, whichever is written in the ancient civilizations, that is the thing we will talk in the logical manner, in the scientific manner. And what is the expectation from you, from myself? I will cover at least one episode in 4 days. I will do my the best, as I am doing some job. That's why I have to prepare it in my extra time. And I also have one small family with 2 kids and 2 kids. That's why, dear friends, I have to take some time to make these episodes, but I will do 100% justice with these episodes so that the quality and the quantity will not be compromised. But at least one episode per 4 day, I am committed to do it. And there will be the 100% transparency from my side. Whatever I know will be of yours. Whatever I know will be of yours in the 100% transparent and the lucid manner. And whether it will be the one-way communication or the two-way communication, it will be 100% depend on you, my dear friends. No doubt, I will deliver the episodes without any interruption at all. But if I will get the critics, if I get the suggestions, then certainly I will cover these these suggestions of the critics in my next episodes 100%. And my dear friends, almost all of us wants to make this planet Earth a very beautiful place, which should be of the worth living. Our old generation fought 2 world wars to bring the peace. Our generation too wants complete peace through World War III, so that the Einstein's words can be proven very correct. What the Einstein has told, I know not with what weapon that World War III will be fought, but the World War IV will be fought with the sticks and the stones. And the same situation is in today's world. We can see that we are using drones, we are using the satellites, nuclear bombs are very old kind of the things nowadays, although we are fearing from it, but very old things are there. It may be possible that the new generation weapons are there in the labs, just like the to create the earthquake, or destroy the earth in the many manners. That's why the Einstein will be very much right that I do not know that by which weapons you will fight the World War 3, but I am very sure that World War 4 will be fought with the sticks and the stones. So dear friends, our generation too wants complete peace through World War 3 so that the Einstein words can be proven correct. Let's rethink about our present condition of the world and the work wisely for the betterment of the mankind. My dear friends, these are the words for the common man, for the common people, as well as for the businessmen, for the scientist, for the businessman, for the politician of the world, so that they can bring peace in our planet Earth. And let's contribute our fullest efforts to make this planet Earth worth living, which is narrated as the Eden Garden in the ancient literature. Eden Garden, you very well know about it, and if not, kindly Google it or kindly YouTube it. The development of the humans and the planet Earth will be through the spiritual way only. My dear friends, we are seeing the way of the science. It is bringing prosperity in our life, but whatever is the reason, science is not able to bring the peace in our life, the harmony in our life. That's why we have to learn about our human existence so that we can bring the happiness, we can bring the bliss in our life. Let's go together, my dear friends. And these are the spiritual science concepts, and we will do our the best in making the Eden Garden, to bring the Eden Garden on this planet Earth. My dear friends, I am very much following to the Jesus Christ, and he has said one thing: knowing is very good, but doing is always better. You know many things, you know thousands of the things, you can see the millions of the videos, but my dear friends, until and unless you are utilizing this knowledge in your own life, it will be not of much use. That's why, my dear friends, the concept series episodes for the world will be continued. At last, the positive powers of the world will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people, and for the people. Let's go together, my dear friends. This time I can give you the guarantee that the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic. It will touch the ground, and at last we will touch the ground. My dear friends, if there is any kind of the questions, doubts, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Princess Jasmine from Jerusalem. I am always open for you, dear friends. You can easily feel like the friend and can send me the critics or the suggestions at the dabi.praful@gmail.com. Thank you very much, dear friends, for watching. Happy times and the good day, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you.